Eating healthy on vacation. It can be very tempting to abandon your good sense of healthy eating on vacation. Although you may strive for healthy eating, it's easy to drift off and grab an ice cream cone here and there. There are, however, ways to watch what you eat on vacation. It's easier than ever these days to request a low-fat or vegetarian meals on airplane flights. If you choose to instead drive to your destination, the quest to find healthy food can get a bit more complicated. Rather than simply relying on greasy foods for nutrition, pack some nutritious foods in a cooler full of ice packs. Fruits and vegetables, crackers, yogurt and sandwiches are all great to have with you on the road. Once you arrive at your hotel, you should do yourself a favor and turn the minibar key down, as this helps to avoid the temptation. If your hotel offers a continental breakfast, stick to fruits, cereals, and proteins. If your hotel has a stove or microwave, consider bringing your own healthy food with you. If you simply must eat out, do so only when you are hungry. Restaurants will usually serve large portions, so be careful. If you do go a bit over on a meal, simply cut back on the next. If you find it hard to fit in 3 square meals a day, try to fit in 6 smaller meals or snacks, as your body needs fuel every 4 hours or so. When you eat out, avoid appetizers. Whatever you do, do not miss any meals. When it's possible, you should avoid eating large meals at night. When your body gets ready for sleep and slows down, it also burns calories at a much slower pace. Never eat bread before bed, and make sure to avoid the butter. Choose fish or poultry for your meal instead, and include vegetables as a side dish. Even though it may sound hard, eating healthy on vacation isn't really that difficult. All you have to do is use a little willpower, and pass up foods that you know aren't good for you. This way, you'll enjoy healthy eating and a healthy lifestyle wherever you go. The next time you go on a vacation, always remember that eating healthy is a way of life. You can afford to get something you crave, although you shouldn't make a habit of it. One ice cream cone or a pizza isn't going to matter, as long as you know when to stop.